5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Mr. TikTok. The 1909 update for Windows 10 started rolling out today. Then I installed it right away, of course. Here is how it installed them. Since it was Patch Tuesday, first it installed the cumulative update for November, then the security update. Then I restarted, then it started downloading the 1909 update. It downloaded in the background for about 40 minutes. The restart was like 2 minutes at the max. If you are expecting a lot of changes, you are going to be disappointed. The biggest new feature was that when you click on the time on the little calendar, it shows you now have the ability to make an event right there without opening the calendar app. And on the start menu, you do not have to click on the side menu. You just have to hover over it, wait a little bit, and it will be like you clicked on it. Some tweaks on narrator, then those are the most important updates that are worth mentioning. You can really tell that it's true that they were going more to fix bugs, because I do notice my system being a little more responsive, faster and less laggy on intensive tasks. Overall it is very light, so the chance of there being an error are very minimal. But if you have the important data, make sure you have a backup every time you make a change. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you liked the video, please subscribe. Thank you.